Okay, today's quick tip is how to fill a word with the letters of the word rather than having it a solid color. So here I've got a logo. It's called logo. I'm going to duplicate that layer. I'm going to take the first one and reduce the opacity so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take this second one. I've selected it. I've got my snapping, magnetics and snapping are both on. And I'm going to reduce the size of this. And let's go ahead and zoom in here. I like to have it fill up one whole leg of the first letter. And I'm going to move it here to the top. And then I'm going to duplicate it. The L, top of the L is slightly lower than the top of the O and G. So I just move that up and then we merge it down. And I'm going to duplicate it. We're going to merge it down. Notice how the snapping lets it just snap in so that they're all connected so nicely. And we will continue doing that until we have the height of the letter all taken care of. And then what we want to do is duplicate this. And we're going to move it to the left so that it fills out the beginning of the letter. Then we merge that down. And we're now going to start moving it to the right, using the snapping to make life easier. And I think there we go. Just make sure that it goes past the original. Then we merge all of these together. And we're going to go back here and we're going to make that solid. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have white selected. Under values, of course, that is all F's for hexadecimal and 100% for brightness, 255 on red, green, blue, all that good stuff. I like the classical, it makes it easier for me. Now, I'm going to select the word logo. I'm going to tap on the layer and say fill. And because it's now the same color as the background, you can't see it. We go here to the top layer, tap on it, and choose clipping mask. And now the word logo is filled with the word logo. Looks like I have an extra line down here. Let's take care of that. Just erase that. Because we're using clipping mask, any mistakes we have to put onto layer 1. And we just erase it like that. There we go. All right, well, I hope this helps you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.